Dr. Jeremiah Hoops here. I've been treating car accident victims for 15 years, and through the course of that time, I've treated hundreds of car accident patients. And unfortunately, that means I've dealt with dozens and dozens of law firms over the years and had varying experiences with them. I look for three things in a law firm. The first is how well do they take care of my patients. Unfortunately, I have referred many patients to law offices that don't communicate. They drop the ball. They don't talk to the patients, explain their rights. They started off really good, and then somewhere along the way they quit communicating and taking care of the patients, leaving both my office and the patient very frustrated, and that reflects on me. When that happens, the patient starts calling me and said, hey, what's going on with my case and why is this happening? I've used the advocates for some time now, and I've never found that to be the case. Every time there is a call that goes out, we want information about a case, that call is always returned that same day, and I've really appreciated the fact that they stay up on their communication, let us know exactly where they're at in the process. They settle cases very quickly. I've never had a case go longer than I thought that it should. They get in, they get those things done, they get the patient taken care of, they get my bills paid. I always am grateful that they get that done and they take care of the patients, get them their settlement that they deserve. They pay the medical bills without coming back to me saying, oh, we had a problem here. And I've used other law firms. One case in particular, one of the big three that advertise quite heavily, the patient was, through the course of the injury, she ended up with a cervical neck fusion as a result of that injury. She was awarded a $150,000 settlement, and the attorney kept between $70,000 to $80,000 of that. After her bills were paid, she got $8,000 with a fused neck. It's just not right. And I've never seen the advocates do that. Even though they've had contractual obligations, they've always made that patient walk away feeling as though they were treated fairly. And that reflects on me as the person who lives in this community, who would want to continue to do business with these people. If you have a bad experience with a patient because of that attorney, it doesn't matter how that goes. They look to you because you're the one who referred them to that attorney. And I've never had a problem with the advocates. All in all, they are the best law firm that I've ever worked with. They are incredibly honest, fair, very diligent. They communicate everything that I look for in a law firm. I recommend them highly. They will treat you right.